kicking. Alright? Alright, stop. Just come forward. Yeah? Kick. Go forward. Forward again. You're going to take it over there. Control. Forward. So you got to practice that. Hey, punch. Speed. Yeah? Okay? Power. Yeah? Obviously, you're not meant to kick him, isn't it? Punch. Deception. Isn't it? You understand what I mean?
If you are serious about Wing Chun, you must test your punching. Talking, watching, learning, none of it matters until you measure your real speed, accuracy, and structure. That's why I created a free 2-minute change punch assessment based on the exact method I use to train fighters. Click the link right now and I'll send you everything instantly.
The punch again. Now, I'm putting so close that it's impossible to kick a man that close. I don't want to kiss him right away. Right? It's impossible. Isn't it? Isn't it? It's impossible. Okay? So, come in. Yeah? So, come in, kick. Stop, kick. Okay? Sit in, kick. Alright? Kick, kick. Kick. Yeah? Let. Controlling the kick. Okay, thank you. Alright, alright, stop. Just come forward. Yeah? Okay. Go forward. Forward again. You're going to take it over there. Control. Forward, punch. So you got to practice that. Hey, punch. Speed. Yeah? Okay? Power. Yeah? Obviously, you're not meant to kick him, isn't it? Punch. Deception. Isn't it? You understand what I mean? The punch again. Now, I'm putting so close that it's impossible to kick a man that close. I don't want to kiss him right away. Right? Isn't it? It's impossible. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? It's impossible. Okay? So, come in. Yeah. So, come in, kick. Stop, kick. Okay? Sit in, kick. Alright? Kick, kick. Kick. Yeah? Let. Controlling the kick. Okay, thank you.
Do the test now if you want real Wing Chun power. If you are serious about Wing Chun, you must test your punching. Talking, watching, and learning, none of it matters until you measure your real speed, accuracy, and structure. That's why I create a free 2-minute change punch assessment based on the exact method I use to train fighters. Click the link right now and I'll send you everything instantly. A follow along 2-minute timer, a printable scorecard, the grading criteria, and 3 drills to fix your biggest punching flaw. Do it right now. Don't guess your skill. Measure it, prove it, improve it. Click the link and start your assessment today. If you want real Wing Chun power, it starts with honesty. You must know your speed, your accuracy, and your structure. So before you leave this video, click the link below and get the free change punch assessment. It takes 2 minutes and it will show you exactly where your weaknesses is and how to fix it. You will never punch the same again. Don't wait, don't think, take the test now and transform your Wing Chun forever. Click the link and I will see you inside the assessment.